It's your boy H to get back at it again with another BitGet video. Yes, I've been very busy making those super high quality videos. Let's jump right into it. What have we got today? If you've done so, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and ring that notification bell so that you can stay updated with the latest on BitGet Copy Trading. Why do I talk about copy trading? It's because of this. I doubt that a lot of you have positions that should you be holding right now? I feel like the next crash is going to come with the interest rates that are going to hike up. Inflation doesn't really seem like it's coming down. Or we might just have to keep an eye on it, and then the Fed might start printing again. We just don't know. But with this kind of sideways action that we're going right now, I think one of the best things to do is seriously to copy trade. All right, so what does copy trading do? Copy trading is basically there are a bunch of traders, and then you can just choose who you want to follow. These numbers are crazy, but I'm going to break down how you should read and how you should assess whether they're good to follow or not. Okay, so that's what we are going to dig down into today. And of course, if you've been losing money or gaining money, I mean, the results are mixed, but there is definitely the setup that you can have that is correct. And with that setup, you'll be more exposed to gains than you are exposed to losses. Okay, and those are some of the strategies that we're going to talk about today. And yes, you can achieve some crazy numbers. Like looking at this particular account right now, some of their followers are making $36,000, $28,000, $26,000 on the risk of this type of trading volume, which means they may even have less money than that. That's just the volume that they're trading in. So we're going to digest all of this information. Yes, we are the capital account when it comes to digesting and dissecting what BitGet copy trading is. Copy trading on BitGet is the largest in any other social trading platform that is available for cryptocurrencies, and it is based on futures trade that this works. Okay, so we're gonna dig into that, but before we do, just a quick news update from BitGet. Yes, Lionel Messi is now the partner with BitGet. Here is a quick video. Here we go. I'm going to go back to the picture of the ladies just in a minute.
BitGet, a perfect.
All right, so and that's how you spend $80 million. I don't know if they spent 80 million, it might be less than that. And they had a convention recently in Singapore, which is good to see. Who said that cryptocurrencies boys club? Clearly not. And we've got BitGet that has zero fees on spot trading as well, so that's available too for you guys. So make sure you go and check out the link in the description below so that you can get to the spot trading for almost free, which is great, for free, effectively for free. So we're going to talk about this today.
Social trading is revolutionizing our industry.
That's right, social trading is revolutionizing our industry, because what good is it that you're trading, and you basically lose all your money because you're crap at trading? Okay, we don't want that. So the way to do it is to follow somebody who's actually good at it, who's actually frequently doing it. So the way I found today's trader, I'm going to dig into principle, is I just sort by AUM. Now, the BitGet's still figuring this out at the moment, but AUM basically means how much money are these accounts leading, basically. So let's say I have $100, another one has $100. There's 10 of us who all have $100, and we follow one guy. That guy is managing about $1,000 worth of all of our money collectively. So we're looking at this particular account because I'm ranging from the top AUM to bottom. It first displays a few accounts that don't have the highest AUM, like 0, but it starts to be the highest from this account onwards. So we're going to look at this particular account today. This is not recommendation. I'm just sort of digesting what this particular trader is doing, and therefore what you should be doing to follow along, I guess, and to make a decision on whether or not you should follow. Okay, so looking at this account, they've had a pretty upward trajectory since the last month. They've gone from 70,000 to about 76,000, which is interesting. Okay, 76,000 is about 10% increase in the last 1 month. And they would have taken a lot of risk to do that. And so what I suggest you do is when you do follow, that you follow a small portion of their lot size. So if your account is like $7,000 and you want to be following about 1/10 of their account, if this account is exactly the only account that you choose to follow. It looks like they've got a good win-loss ratio, and it's not just a winning account. There are some accounts out there that are just like, that's just green. I mean, I don't think that's quite reflective of how a a trading account should look like. But there you have it, guys. So it's obviously a combination of wins and losses. Obviously, more wins than losses, which is really, really great to see. In the last month, we see that they have a consistent trading volume, with some days having a larger volume than others. Well, that's because there may be some good opportunities in there. Now, looking at the graph of Bitcoin right now as well, it has moved sideways for a while now, which is probably a good thing when it comes to cryptocurrency trading. So I'm glad that many accounts have been doing well in the recent times. And should our sideways action continue this way, then there could be options for you to then clock in some profits. And of course, if you are profitable, do not be afraid to take profits, because greed is what will kill you in this business here. So a lot of these are very, very risky trades, I must admit. And so you must be able to control putting in a very, very small size. Now, this particular trader is full, so just put a slot reminder in there, and you'll be able to have a reminder come up very, very soon. So these are the historical chart and wins, and it looks like they've been doing quite well. They've got some losses, so this particular account does understand how to mitigate their losses, which is pretty good. But do take note that they're actually trading quite a lot of trades every day, so that may mean that you need to start off really, really, really small. So don't put, if you've got like a less than $70,000 account, just according to this, don't put like $10 trades. Put in like 0.01 of the particular trade of each of the trades that this guy is making. So that's what you want to do. Currently, there are not open positions though, which is a good thing as well. So it means it's just digested, and I guess it's a short term, and guesses are quite correct. They're not like sitting in like negative 1,000% that they're trying to recover or anything like that. And looking at their followers, yeah, they're making big money for their followers. Look at this. And then if you look at the total P&L for its clients, 76,000, which is pretty good. And across the board, many of the followers are quite profitable. Don't look at this and go put all your money in this one basket and think that you're going to become rich tomorrow. It doesn't work that way. Do understand how to vet out, which traders are good and which traders are not good. These numbers are quite crazy. You just have to figure out what that means for you and how you can best allocate your resources in this bear market to be able to lock in some cash flow. So I've seen this work out incredibly well for some people, but I've seen a lot of people become too greedy and they lose quite a lot of money as well, guys. So that is a quick tutorial on how to trade with BitGet and using their copy trading. Of course, if you haven't done so, make sure you go like, share, and subscribe, ring that notification bell so that you can stay updated with the latest and the fanciest on crypto copy trades, especially in this fancy time of the market. If you haven't done so, make sure you go check out other videos on my channel. Show some love on my TikTok and Instagram, and I will see you next time. Much love. Bye.